Good morning, students. Okay, we are last class we saw about the Idgam. Okay, Idgam characters you already know that Hamid and grandmother Amina. Then the friend's name Mahmoud, Moshi, and some other Noore, Sami, and also I didn't write it here. Okay, two names only I mentioned here. Okay, here likewise there's a character, and already I taught you that's the people just moving and going to celebrate. Just first they went with shop, that is a toy shop. Again next is a sweet stall. Again next the people where they went. Okay, that's only we are going to see. Okay, before after that the section 3 is today's portion. Okay, just listen. Okay, then here next to the sweet shops there were a few hardware stores and jewelry shops. Okay, so after they finishing the sweet shop, okay, they bought something gulab jams and halwa and sesame seed candy and all. Now okay, I already told you. Okay, likewise now they just pass that sweet shop and just nearby the jewelry shop and hardware shop. Okay, you already know this hardware shop. There is nothing to buy for the children. Okay, it's only for the what means says the adult people. Okay, it's old people only they buy something, it's a pipe, some other things. Okay, likewise here jewelry also the people just don't like to buy. So they like but they won't buy. Okay, in the festival time. But anywhere these people just moving that way. At that time what happened, that's only we are going to see. Okay, here the boys were here also mentioned, the boys were not interested in anything there. Okay, here already we know that. Okay, if you are just moving in front of there's a hardware shop means what is there to you bring. Okay, what is there to you bought in there. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, likewise they walked ahead except Hamid. Okay, the people almost move. Okay, all the people are just move from there except whom, this Hamid. Okay, Hamid is just slowing this near to the hardware shop. Okay, why he stopped here. Okay, but there is nothing to buy, but he stopped. He just slow walk, walking very slowly and look at there what is inside and inside to buy. Likewise here it's occurred the Hamid that the granny did not have the pair of tongue that time. Okay, he noticed the tongue. Okay, as a tongue, there's a pair of tongues. Okay, that's only he noticed that. What is the purpose of this tongue? Okay, what is the purpose of this tongue? It's already you know that is a tongue means it's a whenever the people your mom is using in the kitchen. Okay, to plate the chapatis. Okay, otherwise just break the pan and all. No, likewise a clip. Okay, likewise that is a tongue. Okay, that's a clip. Otherwise if you just make a chapati means it's need this what is a tongue. Okay, likewise it's a clip it and take. Okay, likewise. Okay, this is a tongue. That's only he saw that. Okay, each time she cooked chapatis, that's iron pan burned her head. Okay, it's usually that she don't have such a tongue. It is in her home. Okay, so he think that okay, every time he's making chapati and he's always often he's just burn his hand. Okay, he's only just to take the chapati but use the hands only just like this. Like this. Okay, he taking. So he think that it's a very useful to her. No, okay. So if bought of her the pair of tongue, she would be very pleased. Okay, if I bought this tongue means she feel very happy like this. Okay, so he's thinking. Okay, so here surely I need to buy this one. Okay, if you bought her the pair of tongue, okay, again she would never again burn her finger. It would be the really useful thing to have in the house. Okay, so he thinking. Okay, if I buy this type of tongue mean hereafter she won't just burn in her hand. Okay, it's very useful to her. Okay, I think that. Then Hamid stopped to look at the pair of tongue at the hardware shop and asked the shopkeeper how much this pair of tongue. Okay, he noticed that the pair of tongue. Okay, that's the tongue is there. Okay, is noticed that how much this. Okay, ask the shopkeeper how much is how much amount you just need to buy this. Okay, here shopkeeper look at him and reply, it's not for you. Okay, this time his shopkeeper is saying, okay, I can say you, but this is not for you. Okay, this is not for play. This is not to play for the children. Okay, this is a old people. Okay, you just need, you are 12 years old boy, you just need one, that is sweets, okay, toys and all. That's the age only you have. Okay, but this is the old people only using. You got likewise your mom and dad. Okay, likewise the old people, the age people only they're using. Okay, is using by the kitchen. But here this 12 years by Hamid, it doesn't just move to the kitchen and just made some of the food. Okay, it's simply sitting and eating. Okay, that's why. Okay, so he's saying it's a not for you. Okay, it's not for you. Okay, here is again he's asking with that boy. Okay, this boy asking with that shopkeeper. He said for sale or not. Okay, he's asking. It is for sale or not. Why you are keeping like keeping here in this? Is for sale or not? Simply showing. Okay, here. Why should it not be? Why should it not be for sale? It costs only 6 paisa. Okay, it's how much paisa? It's a 6 paisa. Already we know that how much paisa he have. Okay, only 3 paisa. Okay, only 3 paisa only he have. Okay, but the shopkeeper is saying how much amount? 6 paisa. Okay, here Hamid heart sang, tell me the correct price. He said. Okay, again this heart is fully filled with the tears. Okay, likewise he is fully tired. Okay, just hear the amount. Okay, because he don't have such amount, only he has 3 paisa. Okay, here so only you saying exactly, please say the exact amount, the right amount of that tongue. Okay, that's what he is saying. That time, alright, it will be the 5 paisa, take it or leave. Okay, he is again saying it's a how much amount? It's a 5 paisa. It's a 5 paisa. If you want me, just give me, otherwise just leave from here. Okay, he's saying. Okay, it's saying it's finally is a 5 paisa. Okay, it's just reduce the amount 6 to 5. Okay, here Hamid son, will you give it to me for 3? Okay, the shopkeeper says how much amount? Is it how much amount? 5 paisa. Okay, again he's saying will you give me for how much rupees? 3 paisa. Okay, then he walked away, afraid of shopkeeper would scream at them. Okay, he's asked with him and just leave from that place. Okay, why? Okay, sometimes he scolded him. Okay, see, sometimes is he afraid of the shopkeeper, sometimes he beat him means. Okay, what we do, small boy now. Okay, so only be afraid and just move from that place. Then on the contrary, he called Hamid back to gave him to the pair of tongue. But the shopkeeper is a good boy, just called back. He called back that boy and give it that the tongue, pair of tongue. Called back tongue, just give it to them, that tongue. Okay, that's a good person, the kind of person he is. Hamid carried it on his shoulder as if it were the gun to show it his friends. Okay. Okay, likewise, he is carrying on his shoulder, likewise a gun. Okay, the police people is carrying the gun on his shoulder. No, sometimes you may know that. Okay, likewise, this boy also is carrying in his shoulder and is just moving his near to his friend. Here, Moshin laughed and said that time his friend, one of the friend, Moshin, is laughed and said, what he said, are you crazy? What will you do with this tongue? Okay, he is asking. Okay, are you crazy? Is I mad? Here, okay, why you bought from this? Okay, here, what will you do with tongues? Okay, is if you burn the toy means you can play. Okay, if you just burn some other sweet means you can eat. But you just burn what? That's the tongue, the para tongue. What is the use of it? Okay, what will you do with this tongues? Okay, what's the purpose of you? Okay, are you mad? Why you buy this? Okay, likewise he is asking. Who is asking? Moshe. Okay, then Hamid flung and tongue on his ground and replied, try and throw it a water carrier on the ground, it will break. Okay, this time he is showing the courage of that. Okay, he's just throw the tongue onto the floor. Okay, and he say, yes, now I just throw my tongue. Okay, throw my tongue, the pair of tongue, and now the chance is yours. You just throw the water carrier on the floor, just throw it. It will break. It will break. Okay, Muhammad said, are you this tongue some kind of toy? Some kind of toy. But saying, it's some kind of toy is this? Okay, no. Okay, but this is not a toy, but this is a useful one. This is a useful one for us. Okay, he said, then why not replied Hamid, place them across your shoulder and it's a gun, carry them in your hand and like the musical instrument, carry the singing monk, by my tongues are like a tiger among toys. Okay, he's saying you can keep on the shoulder like with a gun. Okay, that's a singing like with a musical instruments likewise. Okay, that's a flute or don't know. Likewise, you can use that. Okay, think that. Okay, not as a use, but think that is a, okay, is a instrument. The monk people are just using like as the stick likewise. Okay, it's a no. They know the magical people, the magicians also using the long stick. No, likewise, he's think that we can use that. So play with that. But and also mention that that's a give use. And the main thing of that means what is that? That's Mahamud. Yes, sorry. Yes, here my tongues are like a tiger among the toys. Okay, here is a king of king among the toys. Okay, is one of the powerful one. If I throw it means it won't break. If I drop of water on that tongue means it will not fade. Okay, it will not fade. Likewise, is say. Okay, if I throw it on the floor means it won't broke. Okay, it's again if I drop a water on that means okay it will be not a faded one. So only say is a useful one and the tiger among these toys. It is a tiger among these toys. Okay, it's a likewise a superior. It's a gun one. Okay, like this. Here, Sami, who had bought a small tambourine, asked, will you exchange them for the tambourine? Okay, it's asking, shall we exchange these toys? Okay, I can give the tambourine and you can just give me that the pair of tongues. Okay, so only just the people's minds were changed. Okay, it won't be a broken one. Okay, it's a very useful one and also. Okay, here say Hamid would not. Okay, tambourine, but it is worth 8 paisas, but Hamid would not. Okay, he's saying, but you just buy the cost of how much? Only 3 paise. Okay, only you 3 paise only just to pay for that tongue, but I just paid 8 paise for what? That's a tambourine. Okay, it's a tambourine. Okay, so it's the expensive gift for you. Okay, you just give back that word, that one of the tongue, the pair of tongue. Okay, he is asking, but what happened in that? Okay, but Hamid would not. Okay, but Hamid would not. The pair of tongue won everyone over to its side. Okay, but this tongue is very the powerful one. All the minds. Okay, all the first they think that each one's everyone's gift is the big one. Okay, that's a beautiful one. The amazing things. I think so. Okay, but this time this tongue is over. Okay, this over that all the just gifts and the toys and all the expensive. Now this tongue only shown like as expensive things. Okay, overall just compare with all the gifts. Likewise, the policeman toy, the water carrier, is the tambourine, whatever may be. Okay, toys, compare with the expensive toys means here just over that expensive. This tongue is just over that expensive one, just highlighted in here. Okay, just highlight. This tongue is just a powerful and useful like that. Okay, then after that, yes, by 11 the village was again filled with excitement. All those who had gone for the fair were back to home. Okay, all the people just go back to where? Go back to where? They are their respective houses. Okay, just going to meet their parents and just going to play in their houses. Okay, in that time, here all those who were at the fair also back to home. Hamid is to return home. Hamid is also. All the people just go back their home, but this Hamid is also just back to his home. Okay, then as soon as she heard his voice, Granny Amina ran out of the house, picked him, kissed him. Okay, he is that time just singing, just to make a sound, just near to his house. Okay, that time this granny is inside the house and just look, that's hearing the voice of the Hamid. Okay, then get the voice of him, and he just ran out from this house. And what she did, ran out from his house, and what she did is so fully is so courageous, being excitement, and is so hugged and kissed on his forehead. Okay, yes, being very happy because she came back. Okay, then suddenly she noticed the tongue in his hand. Where did you find this tongue? Okay, that's suddenly she noticed that tongue, and she is asking, where did you find this tongue? Okay, where did you buy this? Okay, he's asking, I bought them. He is replying, I bought them. Okay, I bought it. Okay, how much did you pay for them? 3 pies. He's asking, how much for this? Okay, it's only three pies. You are the stupid child. You are the stupid one. Okay, you are just mad. Why? I give you the pies for one, just to bring something. Bring that's a food. Otherwise, the toys and all for your purpose. But you just bring one. This pair of tongue is not the use for you and all. Okay, here. It's almost known. Haven't you anything to eat or drink? Okay, he's asking. Have you just drink or eat anything else in there? Okay, but could you find anything better pair of tongues? Okay, and iron tongues. Okay, did you find out any good things from there? Okay, he's asking. But his reply is a positive one, and he's saying Hamid replied and injurious tone. Okay, he's just replying. His reply is the injured tone. It's a mild sound. Okay, it's near the crying sound, and saying, okay, it's a melted. Okay, melted voice. He's saying is you burn your finger on the iron pan, so I bought them. Okay, it's each and every day you are just making chapati. That time your finger is burned in every day. Okay, so I feel very much for that. Okay, you are hurting so much, so only I just buy this tongue only. Then he was deeply moved the Hamid's selfishness. Okay, so just is saying now this is the time. It's the time. He's feeling very crazy. Very crazy, and just hug him, and just feeling this excitement of feeling, just excited the feeling. She started crying for the wretched woman. Okay, now she started to crying. What happened? What a grandson like this? Okay, is a good boy. Okay, good thinking, good future, and caring about the grandmother's life, and also okay. So she's feeling very proud of that. Okay, that the pair of tongue was a precious and the sake of silver. Okay, this is the precious one. Just compare the silver. This is over the silver, gold, diamond, all. Okay, likewise the story come to an end. Okay, likewise the Hamid is a good boy, means the good, and think about the grandmother's mystery and all. Likewise the prose was come to an end. I hope you all understand this portion. Anyway, thank you, students.